Yes, all our respected viewers, learners of English language, examination candidates, those are under preparations for different type of competitive examinations of government jobs. You all are warmly welcome to our channel KCP Competitive English Part 117. Okay, today also we are on the same topic, translations. We have been teaching you translations since 4 or 5 days back. Okay, so this is the individual sentences we have already presented you. Then also the using a particular verb, that means the usage of verbs through the translations methods we have taught you. Okay, and today we are going to teach you about the conversation, how to make conversations between the two persons frequently in English. Okay, then you know that yes, developing what is developing conversation skill is a part of the socializations. You know, when we say someone speaks a language fluently, we usually mean that they have a high level of 4 skills. What are those 4 skills? Yes, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Okay. You know, communication skills involve listening actually and speaking, also observing and emphasizing. Practice on conversations is helpful to improve our spoken form. Yes, without translating from Odia into English. Yes, indeed to develop our communication skill. Indeed, to develop our communication skill, first we should listen to others. Okay. Yes, then we can try to imitate them. Maybe mistake, but don't be worry and continue your attempts. Okay, don't cease your attempts, that means. Yes. So what is speaking? What is speaking? In fact, we express our thought and feeling in a language so that we talk to convey them, which we call the conversation. So this is the conversation. Okay, that means the transform our thoughts and feelings to the others. What we think, we express to others, and this media is called the language or the conversation. Yes. So practice such bits of conversation. Practice such bits of translations. Okay. Yes. And such bits of translations or dialogue between the two persons, and then you try to speak to it. Yes, let us watch and listen to these short conversations between the shopkeeper and a customer. Okay, and that is written on the whiteboard. Yes, so let us start it. A shopkeeper and a customer are talking together here. Yes. Yes, ମାନେ ଦୋକାନ ବାଲା ଆଉ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଗ୍ରାହକ କଷ୍ଟମର। ଦୋକାନ ବାଲା କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ some customer entered a shop to purchase some dress materials, I mean some shirts. Okay, and when she entered, that is a lady customer, she entered the shop. She asked to the shopkeeper that, then ଦୋକାନ ବାଲା ତାକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲେ, କ'ଣ କିଣିବେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ, କ'ଣ କିଣିବେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ? shopkeeper, what can I do for you ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ? ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଠାରେ କ'ଣ କିଣିବେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ମାନେ what are you going to purchase ବା what are you going to buy କୁହାଯାଏ ନାହିଁ। ଏଇଟାକୁ ମାନେ ଭାବକୁ ବା ତାର ଅର୍ଥକୁ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରାଯାଏ। କ'ଣ କିଣିବେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ? ଶପକିପର ପଚାରୁଛି, ଇଂଲିଶରେ ହେବ ହ୍ୱାଟ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆଇ ଡୁ ଫର ୟୁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ। ଓକେ, ତାପରେ ଗ୍ରାହକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋତେ କିଛି ନୂଆ ସାଇଜର ସାର୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ। मते किछि नवा डिजाइन रो शार्ट देखांतु. I would like to look at some shirts of new design. Okay. तापरे दुकान वाला पचारुछंती कॉटन ना सिंथेटिक मैडम. कॉटन ना सिंथेटिक माने कोन नेबे. यस कॉटन और सिंथेटिक्स मैडम सेम थिंग इन इंग्लिश आल्सो. तापरे ग्राहक पचारुछंती मोर कॉटन दरकार नील किंबा हलदिया रंगर 2000 टंका पर्यंत दाम हेले भी चलिबो. शुणन्तु आउ थरे भलो करी ओडिया सेंटेंस को. ग्राहक पचारुछंती मोर कॉटन दरकार नील किंबा हलदिया रंगर 2000 टंका पर्यंत दाम हेले भी चलिबो. इन इंग्लिश आई नीड कॉटन वन either blue or yellow. Range within rupees 2000 will do. Okay. तापरे दुकान वाला पचारुछंती हाँ एई देखंतु से देखै देले. हाँ एई देखंतु एई गार पड़िथिबा शार्ट गुड़िका नुआ आसीछि. ए जो गार पड़िथिबा शार्ट गुड़ाक नुआ आसीछि. एहा उत्तम मानर सूतारे तयारी और रंग भी भलो. कोन कहउचंती हाँ मैडम देखंतु एई गार पड़िथिबा शार्ट गुड़िका नुआ आसीछि. या उत्तम मानर सूतारे तयारी ओ यार रंग भी भलो. ओके यस हियर इट इज. हाँ देखंतु तार इंग्लिश कहउची यस हियर इट इज. दिस striped ones are new arrival. Okay, it is made of quality fabric and we assert its guarantee colors. Okay yes. तापरे दुकान ग्राहक पचारुछंती जे मोर नाड़ी गार पड़िथिबा नील शार्ट गुड़िकर पसंद अछि. मोर सेही नाड़ी गार पड़िथिबा नील शार्ट गुड़िक पसंद अछि. तार दाम केते तार मूल्य से पचारुछंती. आउ थरे सुनंतु मोर सेही नाड़ी गार पड़िथिबा नील शार्ट गुड़िकर पसंद अछि. तार दाम केते. ओके I rather fancy those blue ones with red stripes. Blue ones with red stripes. Okay. How much is it? यार दाम केते. What is its price? कोई भी नहीं. बा what does cost it कोई भी नहीं. How much is it? तापरे से दुकान वाला कहउची गोटी को 1500 टंका rupees 1500 for one. ओके एटा ए छोटिया छोटिया ट्रांसलेशंस गुडी को आपण माने डायलॉग गुडी को आपण प्रैक्टिस करिवे. वी आर आल्सो गिविंग यू the telephonic conversation, then your general conversations, and also talking for a long time, then individual sentences, then your articulations or short articulation, and also the translations of short passages and long passages into Odia into English. Okay, yes, practice on this type of translation so that you can improve your standard in English simultaneously with your preparations for the competitive examinations. Okay, thank you for watching our channel KCP Competitive English Part 117.